Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to pass you through mold injection machines for plastic materials. We have machines like MF4800, 4500, 2500, 2000 and 1600. So each machine has its mold that fits there, depending on the sizes of the buckets, lids, and some other plastic materials like hanger, cups that we produce. So watch full video for more information, and I'll be giving you more in the full video. We have machine MA4800. This machine, we use it to produce buckets. Yeah, we have various types of buckets like 20 liter, 18 liter, 15 liter. So all of these molds can fit in this machine. So we use this machine to produce 15 liter, 18 liter and 20 liter buckets for this machine MA4800. Machine MA1600, we use this machine to produce lids only because they are only the mold for lids that can fit in this machine. We use it to produce 20 liter, 18 liter, 15 liter and 4 liter lids. So we use it to produce lids only. Machine MA2000, we use this machine to produce also lids and cups. All those molds can fit in that machine. We can use it to produce 15 liter also, 4 liter lids, 1 liter lids and other various types of cups. All those molds can fit in this machine. Machine MA4500, we use this machine to produce buckets, 15 liter buckets, 18 liter buckets, 20 liter buckets. All those molds can fit in this machine. So that's why we also use it to produce that sizes of buckets. Machine MA2500, we use this machine especially to produce hangers. 15 liter also lids can fit there, 18 liter can fit there, 20 liter also can fit there, and 4 liter buckets. All these molds can fit in this machine. That's why we use it for various types to produce those items as I've told you. All these injection molding machines use PP material. Thanks very much for watching this video. For more information, please subscribe, like and comment.